So just want to show you down here, basically, as you come down the engine side right over here, what people end up replacing is, let this focus in down there, okay. So right here is your thermostat. This whole housing unit, that's your thermostat, and that's where the thermostat sensors right over here. And so what end up doing is you end up retrofitting a new sensor if you can. If not, you need to replace the thermostat. This will most likely get rid of your 2F22. I understand that's a BMW code. That is not an OBD code. I'm not sure if the OBD, most scanners can't really read that code. So unless you have something that could read the BMW codes, you know, a BT tool, Bavarian Technic, or you know, if you have a IMPA or whatever it is that you're using this. So if you read that and you get it to 2F22 and your coolant fan, your engine fan is running on high right off the bat at awkward times, you're gonna have to replace the thermostat and retrofit the new coolant.